Guys, ngayon tuturuan ko kayo paano gawin ang basic differentiation rules ng derivatives. Ngayon, simulan natin sa constant. So we have our formula here na sinasabi the derivatives of a constant is equals to 0. So, if ang equation natin is y is equals to 2, ang magiging derivatives nito daw ay automatically equated to 0. So, y is equals to 2 will be y is equals to 0. Andali lang, diba? Ngayon, mag-move on naman tayo sa constant multiple. Sa constant multiple, ay multiply lamang natin ang derivatives ng x sa constant. So, ang derivatives ng ating x ay 1. So, magiging y is equals to 3 times 1. So, ang derivatives ng y is equals to 3x is equals to 3. So guys, let's move on sa power rule. Napapansin nyo, no, nagkapapel? Design kasi yan. So, may formula tayo sa power rule, which is the derivative of x raised to n is equals to n times x raised to n minus 1. So, substitute lang muna natin ng mga value. So, ang x raised to n minus 1 natin ay 5x raised to 2 minus 1. Ngayon, ang n natin ay 2. So, itatabi lang natin siya kay 5. Huwag natin kalimutan lagyan ng parenthesis. So, ayan. I-simplify na lang natin itong equation na ito. So, the derivatives of y is equals to 10x raised to 1. Pero, hindi na natin kailangan isulat yung 1. So, the derivative of y is equals to 10x. So, ayan ang ating final answer. Ngayon, mag-move on naman tayo sa addition at subtraction. Sa addition ay may equation tayong 7x squared plus 8x. So, gawin na natin ang ginawa natin sa power rule tsaka sa constant multiple. So, 2 times 7 is 14. Copy yung x. Then, matitira is 2 minus 1, which is 1, kaya din natin kailangang isulat. Para naman sa constant multiple is matitira lang ay 8x because 8 times 1. So, the derivative of 7x squared plus 8x is equals to 14x plus 8. Ayun ang final answer, guys. Para naman sa subtraction, which is y is equals to 3x squared minus 2x, isulitin lang natin yung process. Simulan natin sa power rule. So, 2 times 3 is equals to 6. Copy the x, and 2 minus 1, matitira is 1. So, di natin siya isusulat. Minus 2 times 1, which is 2 pa din. So, the derivative of 3x squared minus 2x is equals to 6x minus 2. Ayun ang ating final answer. Ngayon, mag-move on naman tayo sa sine and cosine. So, aralin muna natin ano nga ba ang derivative ng sine x. So, the derivative of sine x is cosine x. While sa cosine x naman is negative sine x. So, ngayon, isolve na natin ang ating equation. Y is equals to 5 sine x plus cosine x. So, i-keep lang natin si 5. Then, ang derivatives ng sine x is cosine x. So, papalitan lang natin siya, which is cosine x plus cosine x. The derivative of this is negative sine x. So, i-rewrite na lang natin ang equation. So, the derivative of 5 sine x plus cosine x is 5 cosine x minus sine x. Diba guys, napakadali lang ng ating basic differentiation rules sa derivatives. So, yun lang. Sana may natutunan kayo at salamat sa panonood.